It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Brandon woke me up at 6. This is because we need to go shoot this video. Me and Zach are also kind of extra tired because we stayed up till 2:30 in the morning playing Mario Kart. To which we can respond, Baby Daisy and Villager in particular. They just had it out for us.
Oh god.
Right now we're heading to the Circle K to get us some morning beverages. However, I don't drink coffee, and Corbin doesn't drink coffee, so we are getting hot chocolate instead. Zach, I said it's some
Oh, that's... You're okay. You're doing the go back along.
Am I happy in the Congo though? Hello, Zach. My squeaky. My squeaky. Okay, we're all nice and filled up now. We got the fuel. Hopefully Brandon found a spot by now. Wait, what if we went out into the, like, deeper into the desert and we can't find the man?
I'm sure you would tell us. If not, then we'll just, drink his coffee. That'll make him turn up. Go bring it. We pull up on your coffee. What you gonna do about it?
We pull up on your coffee. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
That's making me
That coffee. Drink the fucking coffee. Drink the fucking coffee. It's filling. Check the fit rating. Whoa! Fit rating alert.
Yo, you look like he's a...
What side is the light? You wanna take it? Take it for a spin. Wow.
God fucking damn it. Smell the fucking coffee.
God damn it, Jack. The fucking coffee. Okay. Intro time. So today, we're giving you guys something special. We came into the middle of nowhere to go ahead and shoot some guns for you. We're gonna blow up one ball of tannerite that's somewhere out there.
On that big rock.
I see it, there it is. And this is all for you guys, for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing and getting me my first dollar. I made my first dollar on YouTube yesterday. So thank you guys so much for watching my shit and then liking it and then commenting on it. And for one, also sharing it and making animations of it. So we're here with Blackout Brandon, and then Biggie Jules, and then Zach, who's not a YouTuber.
He's just some random scab we found out on the street.
I gotta go to work. He's a scab, and then we got the USEC operator. He has to go to work in an hour, so we're just here to shoot some guns and have some fun.
Yo, guns. What are we talking about for tonight?
Let's go to work.
Look, some
Well,
cars.
yes, let's get to work.
Can you confirm that and get hurt?
I can neither confirm nor deny that. We are now more than 10 feet away,
That's good.
and the freaking angle on this is nuts.
Alright, so we only get one explosion. Which rifle
Why?
would you like to use?
Which rifle would I like to use?
Yes.
Well, if we can get the camera on me, then I shall choose it.
Oh, no,
Honestly,
I just pooped my pants.
I'm feeling this one.
Alright,
All
so
over my bed sheets.
so it turned out this is more of a longer range, not by much, AR-15. We'll kit it up. It's got a 4X scope on there, angle grip. He does not want to shoot that one yet.
Not yet.
We have a small AR pistol, red dot sight, little Raptor, 20 round mag, flashlight, and some extra flip up sights for added ergo. Does not want to shoot that one yet.
Should
We
have
want to
off.
shoot the M4 clone. Pretty standard M4 clone, except because it's such a short barrel, it has to be a pistol. So that's what we'll get started with.
Alright.
And you, sir, do not get this shitty ass metal stand bag. You get a nice Gen 2 P bag.
Whoa!
It is on safe and ready to go.
Sorry to all you stand mags out there. Is it on shoot mode?
It is not. It's on safe.
Now it's on shoot mode.
The fact that we can get a good shot. And we already
You didn't tell
didn't
me?
even pull it all the way back either. Holy shit. Alright. He has worked in M4 before, I swear.
I thought you didn't rack it yet.
It is ready to go.
Okay.
We got Boo camera.
Just making sure. Okay. It's good. I actually don't mind shooting standing up if you do not mind. This weapon is cold. This one's for all the subscribers. And yeah. What the fuck? all the M4 stands would be like, "You fucking dumbass! He didn't do the bloop-de bloop."
It works.
God damn it. Okay. Oh yeah, this one's for my subscribers and people I'll meet in the future. Blah blah blah. My friends are awesome. And anyway. You put it. You son of a bitch! Am I blowing it up right away? Am I just shooting for it right now? Okay. Good enough for me. What the fuck?
5 rounds before he fucked up.
5 rounds before I...
Fucked up 2 of them. I shot one just to prove that he was fine.
I swear I'm not this bad with guns, although this is only the second time I've shot a gun. God damn it.
Keep in mind, the person who owns this M4 clone does not clean his weapon at all, so I'm just gonna blame that on him. Even though it's completely Jason's fault. Make sure that's cleaned all the way.
You cut it all out. Okay.
Right.
Hopefully that worked. And if it didn't, I am gonna be very angry.
It didn't go all the way forward. That actually worked. I actually used that for the first time ever.
Okay, here we go.
It's because the hammer already went forward.
Please shoot. I'm begging you. Don't make me look like a fool in front of 1,000 people. Hey, it's shot. Come on. Possibly. No.
I hope you didn't just like do a glancing blow, but at the same time, if you did do a glancing blow, oh, I see it's behind you. I wonder if because we had it so long ago, it's inert now. Because I swear you hit it that time. Follow me. Let's find out. Yeah, you definitely hit it.
Did I actually hit it?
You hit it. I guess it was in my truck for so long it just died.
You sure he did it?
Dude, I think he might have hit it.
Did he though?
Yeah.
Well, shit.
Well, fuck.
Well, I'm sorry, people, if you wanted to see an explosion. However,
Well, I mean, technically, there's a little explosion every time you fire.
not clickbait. Damn it! I was hoping to be a, but no.
I saw it go flying, and I'm like, oh, fuck.
Well, it's not clickbait because I did say we were shooting a bottle of tannerite. I shot the tannerite. However, I did not promise an explosion.
Everybody get to do a mag dump of their weapon of choice.
I think it should be someone. I'll be cameraman.
I will shoot my goddamn self. Swear to God, right now.
That's how he's standing with the fucking camera.
Which shade would you like to shoot? That one. These are all hollow points. We're not going to touch those.
Why not?
Hey, Brandon, why are they called hollow point?
I'm Brandon. Why are they called hollow point?
For the viewers at home.
Because the points are hollow. So whenever they hit flesh, it expands. That causes as much damage as possible to the person without causing overpenetration.
Okay, but why are they called hollow points?
Because the end of them is hollow.
Uh-huh. But why are they called hollow points?
But what about making games?
So Brandon,
Alright. Brandon, would you rather have unlimited bacon but no games? Or unlimited games but no games?
That man is
I hope-
packing his mag with malicious intent.
I hope the viewers know who this is a reference to.
So Brandon, can you answer something for me?
Unlimited bacon.
Yes.
Why is it called buckshot?
Why is it called what?
Why is it called buckshot?
Because it shoots dollar bills.
Car messing up the shot here.
Had to resist the urge to use the GoPro in the car.
Do not shoot the GoPro.
Alright.
Don't do it.
So before we continue, let's go on to the part. What is rule number 1 of gun safety?
Don't do this. Never have your finger on the trigger.
Well, that is a rule. First rule is always keep the barrel pointed in a safe direction. So if anything else fails and it goes off, it's at least pointed somewhere where no one's gonna get hurt.
I'm gonna stand on the other side of where the bullets can be ejecting from.
It's not a bad idea. However, I ain't afraid of no brass.
I ain't afraid of no ghost.
I don't know what to do with my other hand.
Wrap it around your hand like this. Put one thumb over top of the other. Huh? Perfect.
Are your ears in?
Yes.
I think so.
And he is clean. And the ranger there among them had a big iron on his hip.
Big iron on his hip.
Moving on. All right. Thank you, Jules. Have you thought about what you want to mag dump with?
I don't know, but I'm looking at it.
Oh my god. I don't think there's a mag dump.
Oh.
Yeah. So you want to shoot the Glock?
Yeah.
Alright. First, go ahead and take a look at, aim down the sights over there and see if you can't find the dot. Keep going doing that. I'm gonna.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Brandon, where's the red dot? You want to look down and help me find it?
Yeah, bro. Definitely.
Just look right through here and help me find the red dot.
Definitely.
Why are you following me?
I don't know. Were you gonna do something cool?
No. Flip it around my finger. Wow, you think that sight's weird.
Well, Jason, what would you like to bag dump?
I don't know. Probably the Glock.
I want to see some actual bag dump in here, alright? Alright? I'm just kidding. Take it at your own pace.
Now, to everyone at home, I don't normally fire rifles. I have the most experience with a pistol.
In me, I'm the exact opposite.
Because when I was younger, my dad had a 45, and he would make me unload it and then lock it up every night. So that's why I knew how to handle your Glock better. Yes.
Look
Okay, look at that little.
So this is how you shoot a 5.56 out of your Glock. You just,
Like, he shot out of the camera.
you just put it in there, no problem.
Yeah, you just shove it in there and then you
Just let it do its thing.
let it ride.
No.
See, that's where you can go and fudge yourself. Because that is probably a $120 camera. I have a gun in my hand. Are yours in? Yeah. Oh, hello, Red Dot. Shit. Aiming drills. Ooh. Ooh. Fuck you.
Beautiful.
We are empty. I'm sorry. I thought about baby Daisy and kind of lost it.
What if I want to like?
Not a mess.
I think we can end it on me just saying like I'm sorry. I thought about baby Daisy and just lost it. I'm sorry. They call me sus.
Bogus porn.
Porn? Bogus?
I missed the 300% off.